everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Shavita Kotak. I'm a health and well-being coach, and I help coach people to live a healthier, happier life physically, mentally and spiritually. And today what I want to share with you is one of my favorite easy breakfasts that requires no cooking. And what you need for this is half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, fruits and nuts of your choice. I like to put my overnight oats in a jar, so I'm going to transfer half a cup of oats into this jar, very easy, and my tablespoon of chia seeds into the jar, and then I like to top it up with coconut water because it just makes it taste better. Then I don't even have to add milk to it if I don't want to. Sometimes I add coconut milk to it because I like the taste of coconut. And that is it. So you seal it up in the jar, shake it up, put it in the fridge to have the next morning, or just leave it out and have it after half an hour, 45 minutes. So this is one I made earlier. As you can see, it's quite thick, it's expanded. And what I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to start topping it up with my fruits of choice. So I'm going to put bananas in it. I love bananas. Now chia seeds are really high in omega-3s. They're also high in protein and fiber, high in calcium as well. So they're really good. They're from Mexico. They're pauper food, but I like to have this. It used to be pauper food, but now it's become really trendy. So look at this. I'm just topping it up with strawberries. Oh my God, I'm gonna love eating this. And then I've got some nuts. I've got hazelnuts, walnuts, almonds, macadamia nuts, and I'm just going to pop this in, and this is my chia seed overnight, or you can just leave it for half an hour outside, breakfast. Now I'm going to have this for lunch because I love it and it's so easy to do, and I haven't got time to cook at the moment, so that's my lunch for today. Anyway, I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you think. So the ingredients are chia seeds, a tablespoon, half a cup of oats, top it up with coconut water as much as you want, just enough to cover it up and a little bit more, and then add your favorite fruits. I've added banana and strawberries and some nuts. You can add coconut, you can put sugar, honey, whatever you want. This can be tasting different every time you make it. Anyway, have a go, try it out, see what you think, and let me know how you go and if you like it. If you like this channel and you like what I've just shown you, please press the like button. If you've got any comments, please put the comments below and subscribe, and let me know how you go with this beautiful chia seed pudding breakfast anytime meal. Thanks for watching. Bye.